clock. Out of bounds.
Ay, sumira, no?
Yan ang kailangan dyan. Tira ka ng tira, di ba? Yung puro pasa ba? Ayun ang ganda eh.
9, 2 points. Assist number 2.
Kailangan nila dyan buhaya, no? Para tira na. Pero assist na naman, di ba?
10 second shot clock. Pace of rebound, 25.
Pasa na naman.
Rebound number 9. Defensive rebound, 11. Two points, 0-9. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 2 points.
Pasok pa.
End of second quarter.
Contact tayo, naabot yung ano eh. Ano yung time pa rin? May kasi tayo kumain ba? Saan ang time pa rin?
Tayo.
Even the stars refuse to shine. Out of the vacuum for a time, we'll somehow find you and I.
Let's ka na dito! Let's ka na!
Don't stop it.
Let's ka na!
Lost my place, and I'm close behind. I'm close behind.
Nice, nice, nice.
Even the best found takes so time. Even the wrong words seem to lie. Out of the dark that brings my mind, finally find you and I cry. Finally find you and I.
Ito po. Ice pack mo sa basketball court. Nicolas po. Nicolas. Nicolas. Ses po, ses. Opo. Kimson sa Kimson po. Opo. Para kay Sir Nicolas. Opo. Thank you po, thank you.
Game? Game?
Third quarter. 34 2 points.
Basta lang.
Ball number 9.
Talaga.
Hindi ka muna. Yung man sa kanya yun. Nakagutom talaga pag sahod.
Wala. Sound namin ano eh.
Tapos na eh.
10? 10,
10-25 ba kayo? Mamaya sahod, tapos naglaro.
Black.
Black.
44.
38 2 points.
Sino nakapasok?
Rebound niya yun. Basic rebound yun.
10 seconds shot clock. Defensive rebound 7.
Rebound.
Defensive rebound number 5.
Number 5.
7 tsaka 5. Basic rebound.
Still. 34 2 points. Assist number 9. Out of bounds.
Pag ganyan isip. Hindi ko nakakapatay yun.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ten seconds shot clock.
Bang.
Out of bounds.
James. Yun oh, ang ganda. Oh, ta-
5 2 points.
Galing ah. Bali. Kita sa highlights yun.
Still 4 to 4. Rebound 34. Out of bounds.
Shot lock ko. Dapat shot lock radiation eh.
Bang.
Out of bounds.
Masa.
Rebound 20. Number 9 2 points. Assist 20. Seven 2 points, assist 31.
Bang.
Rebound 58. Ten seconds shot clock. Out of bounds.
Tabot up.
Foul, 31.
First foul.
Next pa lang.
34 the points.
Tayo na sexy. Ano, sakit na katawan talaga no. May mga talong niya, no?
Tayo ka lang kami. Tayo ka na dyan.
10 second shot lang. Steal. Out of bounds.
Dennis Rodman ng ADB.
Time out. Team Bronson.
Step tayo matapos. Maga tayo, maga pa tayo. Maga pa tayo.
Meron na tayo.
Tatlo pa, tatlo.
400.
Wala, sa 500 din na sa akin. Ay, tapos isang libo.
Sahod. Kaya sinabi.
Dalawang 5 per tatlo. Wala din.
Hindi, mamaya papalit tayo na sa'yo.
Ayoko nung ganyan eh.
Mama. Hanggang part-time na tingin. Ipa.
Foul. Sino foul?
Foul number 7.
Tatlo na yun.
Third foul number 7.
Mas walang baril eh, no?
Ituwalit ako dyan ha.
Kano mo dito?
Kaya
Kaya tama, siyang daan, tapos wala sa akin sa akin. Isang kayo boss, alam tayo? Oo, bali po ranin sa inyo dito. Sab na? Paano?
Foul number 50.
50.
second foul.
Face of big 144. Out of bounds. Head ball. Substitution. Substitution.
Dapat na ako bigyan yung sandaan eh. Pula namin eh. Kasama naman kayo eh.
Doon na lang sa parking.
Parking pa ako.
2 points. Foul. Number 59.
First foul.
Basket. Kulang din kami kagabi. Panalo sana kami kagabi.
Saan?
Sabi niya. Wala akong papalit.
Rebound number 9. Rebound boys 4. Still 50. 11, 2 points. Nice pass.
Sino nagpasa nun?
Angle breaker na.
Traveling.
Grabe.
Substitution. Substitution.
Walang nabantay, you know?
Hindi ka lang, breaker eh. Patay. Gusta mo na.
Really, number 2.
Pagsik mo yan.
Ten second shot clock. First up, rebound 32.
Long.
2 points, number 32, 2 points. Rebound 59. Foul number 38.
First foul.
Substitution.
Unang ankle breaker.
Out of bounds.
Uy!
Out of bounds. Five seconds. Still. And a third quarter. Hello.
Kaya pa? Jump shot. 3 points na lang.
Fourth quarter.
Baka nagpaano siya ng bayan.
Lapit ako mag-10 points.
Bang.
2 points. 25 assists, number 9.
Points na.
Rebound number 50. Number 9, 2 points. Assist, number 50. 10 second shot clock. Rebound, 34. Ball number 31.
Dalawa na Paul niya.
Second ball number 31. Nice! Good point. Assist number 9. Thirty-one, good points. Defensive rebound, 50. Rebound, 32. Steal. Rebound, 32. Second shot lang.
Alanganin.
9, 2 points.
Foul kayo.
Ball number 25. Substitution.
Second personal foul.
Ball number 38.
Second personal foul. 38. Nice pass.
2 points. Time out. Team Bronson.
Bronson. Nahihilo ka na. Tatlo. Ayun mo.
Ayan eh.
Ito foul. Bang bang. Bilis oh. Nice one.
44, 2 points.
Yun.
24, 2 points. Assist number 25. 58 points.
Please!
52 points.
Fourth.
10-second shot clock.
Ah,
44 points.
pasaman.
$38 points.
Pasa.
Assist number 50. $44 points. Assist 58.
Boss, antay lang tayo, boss. Dead ko lang. Dead ko lang po.
Ten-second shot clock.
Meron pa katakbo pag ganyan.
Rebound 34.
34. All alone.
2 points. 1-in for the game number 2. Substitution.
So, pag nag 2 minutes na, wala nang time. Bang bang.
Substitution.
Number. Easy rebound.
Defensive